Hi friends, happy 2024. I don't want you to click away, okay? I know you're getting emails about getting fit, losing weight, buffing up in the new year, all these new year programs. I have something for you that's different and it's free, and I'm sharing it this year because I want you to feel this in your body. It is called my New Year, New Fascia program. It's 4 days. We will join on Zoom beginning January 9th, Tuesday, and then Wednesday. Thursday is a Q&A class, and then we have our final movement class on Friday. These 4 days will really give you an opportunity to feel fascia flow in your body. The fascia connects everything in the body. It penetrates deep into our muscles and bones. It's not just under the skin, and it affects the healthy functioning of all of our systems. So let's get this new year off to a healthy